Looking for a space to breathe without sacrificing comfort or style? Hi, I'm Ava Gardner.
I'm Blake Hansen with the Alisha Real Estate Team. We're here at 4122 Ranch Road.
Outside, you've got 1.4 acres of wide open Wyoming freedom, RV parking with hookups, 2 sheds, a full sprinkler system, and views for days.
Let's go take a look inside.
As you walk into the home, you walk into the living space. It's very open, warm, and thoughtfully designed for everyday living.
When it's chilly out, cozy up next to the oversized wood stove. The main floor primary suite adds to the ease of daily living, plus it has this added privacy with the barn door right off the main living area. Primary bedroom is accompanied by an oversized walk-in closet and a bathroom with newer updates throughout, an oversized 6-foot tub with an inline heater.
This is the showstopper, the heart of the home.
This kitchen features a 9-foot island, knotty hickory cabinets, brand new tile backsplash, and industrial grade appliances.
And that's not all. This kitchen has a 5-burner gas stovetop, slow closing cabinets, and drawers in all of them.
And right off the kitchen, you have an entertainer's dream for a dining room.
Right off the garage, there's a spacious mudroom with convenient main level laundry.
That's right, no more dropping socks up and down the stairs. This main level bathroom is perfect for guests with a newer vanity, newer tile, and an oversized tub. And right off the laundry room and guest bathroom, you have a spacious guest room designed for guest convenience.
Right as you come upstairs, you're greeted with 2 bedrooms and another bathroom.
With oversized closets and unobstructed views of the mountain, it's designed for comfort.
Fresh paint throughout the entire home, well-maintained systems, reverse osmosis, water softener, the kind of care and upgrades you can feel. This isn't just a house, it's a Wyoming retreat where high-end function meets peaceful living.
Whether you're hosting the holidays, parking the RV, or enjoying the peaceful mornings out on the front porch, call or text us today.
Remember, we want you to love where you live.